Christine from Christine's Pastries and Cakes. Today we're going to make traditional Greek shortbread, aka Kourabiedes. Okay, so we're going to start off with the following ingredients. Softened butter, 800 grams of sifted flour, cake flour to be exact, and then another 86 grams extra. We have 1 large egg. We have 150 grams of toasted crushed almonds. We have a tablespoon of ouzo. If you don't have ouzo, you can use brandy. And we have half a cup of sifted icing sugar. Right, we start off by creaming your butter for 20 minutes. Yes, you heard me right, 20 minutes. Okay, this is the consistency that we're looking for. It looks like whipped cream. Okay, we're now going to turn the mixer back on again, and we're going to add the egg. The ouzo. We're just going to mix that until it's well mixed and nicely combined. Just scrape down the bowl. Now we're going to slowly start adding the flour, the icing sugar, and the baking soda, which I have mixed all together. And I'm going to start adding it 1 cup at a time on a low speed. I've mixed in the flour. I'm just going to add in 5 tablespoons of the extra flour that we weighed out at the beginning. And I'm going to check the consistency again. Right, this is the consistency that I'm looking for. It's very soft, but it's nice and crumbly. I can manipulate it with my hands, and I can actually roll it and shape it, and it'll hold its shape. Right, now that your mixture is ready, I like to use a scale, but you don't have to. You can do it just by looking at it. I like to weigh out about 30 grams at a time so that my biscuits are nice and consistent. I weigh it out, roll it into a little ball, and then roll it into a sausage. Just keep it very, very simple. And then just twist it into like a little crescent. I'll show you another one. There's 30 grams. It's like Play-Doh. Mush it up in your hands. Little bit of a sausage. Make your corners a little pointy, and then just turn it into a half moon crescent. I have preheated my oven to 170 degrees. I'm going to finish the rest of these and then I'll get back to you. Right, Kourabiedes are ready to go in the oven. I preheated my oven to 170 and I'm going to put them in for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Right guys, so our Kourabiedes are done. They took about 20-22 minutes. They don't need to be very dark. They need to be nice and just with a light brown color at the bottom. While they're still hot, what you need to do is put a single layer of sifted icing sugar over them so that the icing sugar can actually attach itself to your Kourabiedes. Otherwise, if you wait for them to cool down too much, what will happen is it'll just fall off and it won't stick on. So the process is simple. You put some in a small sieve and you literally just use a spoon. Once you're done with this and they've cooled down, then you can put a second layer, and if you need to, you can put a third layer. And of course, you can adjust the sugar accordingly. There wasn't a lot of sugar in the actual dough, so you can adjust and put as much sugar or as little sugar as you prefer. Well, here we go, and hope you enjoy them. Let me know what you think.